channel. So in this video I will explain the code for the LeetCode question number 15, 3 sum. We will solve this problem with the optimized code, that is the sorting plus two pointer array. So let's start with the problem statement. So what is the problem here? There is given an integer array nums. So we want to return all three triplets so that the sum of their should be 0. So and here the solution set must not contain any duplicates. So for example, input is nums of these and we want the output like this. In a vector we want the vector wise answer. So basically we will start with initializing the resultant vector. So vector will be vector of vector. It will store integer value, so we will take here the integer value. The name will be result. So after that we will add one variable called n. It will store the size of array. Now after this we will run a outer for loop to take the value of I. So we will run for loop. For loop will be I is equal to zero to I less than n minus 2. Why we take here n minus 2? Because after this number we want also two more number for triplet. So we will run this loop to the n minus 2. So we want the two more numbers after this. So we here added n minus 2. For skipping the duplicate, we will take a condition if I is greater than 0 and the AND operator nums of I is equal to nums of I minus 1. Why we added this? Because if it is if the num of I, the current value is equal to the previous value, we will continue the loop. So now we will initialize two pointers called left is equal to, we will start this from the I plus 1 because we have the one I, so next one will be I plus 1 and the second one will be right is equal to n minus 1. We will start with the last index. So while if left is less than right, why we add this left less than right? Because we don't want these two vector to these two pointers to cross each other. So we take this here. For this, in this, we will check. We will add an integer or sum. We will check here the current value sum is 0 or not. So int I plus nums of left plus nums of right. We will store this here, and now we will take the condition if sum is equal to 0. If the sum is equal to 0, we will store these three numbers into the result vector. So here re result dot pushback, here we will store into an array. So here is store nums of I, then nums of left and nums of right. So we will store three numbers here. We will finish these. After these, for skipping duplicates, we will run the while loop. While loop will be if while the left is less than right, this condition will be as it is below. So and the nums of left is equal to, if the nums of left is equal to nums of left plus 1. So we will increase the left by 1. So plus plus and we will do this for right side also. Left is and then nums of right is equal to nums of right minus 1, because we are starting this from end, so we will decrease this. So decreasing for minus minus right. So here we end this. And after this, we will increase the both variable plus plus if left and minus minus. Okay. After this, we will add for the if the sum is greater than 0 and less than 0. For that we will give else if condition. First else if the sum is less than 0. So the sum is less than 0, it means we want the bigger number to create to make it there 0. So we will increase left. Why we increase the left here? Because the array is sorted. So from left side to right side it will increase the number. So we will increase left side. And for the else is the sum is greater than 0. Here we made a mistake. Here we have done this and here we see. Then we will minus the right pointer because from the right side it will decrease it. So now here we will return the array. Return the resultant. So now let's run it. So this is right code. So thank you for watching.